Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get premium on Spotify. So let's get into it. First of all, open Spotify app. If you already have a Spotify account, sign in. If not, you can register for an account to get started. After logging in, tap Premium on the bottom menu. Tap on Get Premium. Select the plan of your choice. Review and choose how to pay your premium plan. Then tap on Continue with Spotify. This will display a payment screen. You can pay through any supported payment method, then tap on Buy Now. Tap Start My Spotify Premium and start listening. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.